Hey. And still we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. First 5 on Abu Dhabi. First 5 on Omal Quain.
Message ko ayaw, hindi ko mag-ibig.
Kinuha daw yung pera.
Ha?
Kinuha daw yung pera.
Pera niya.
Ewan ko kung lang ko eh.
Hindi ko naman. Nilitayin. Basta nilitayin. Basta gawin ko dyan. Sundin mo.
Salamat sir.
Cute mo, tama nila. Grade mo na lang sa anak.
Sunod na susunod. Sali ka sunod. Sunod sa sali ka.
Saan?
Sa inyo.
Inyo?
Doon na lang. Wala kang bayad doon. Ano bayad? Ha? Kulang kayo isa. Ayusin nyo. Kulang pa kayo isa. Kahit dalawa.
Our next game, next match, is the defending champion Abu Dhabi versus Omal Quain. It's our defending champion versus Omal Quain. We're live and alive on the Facebook page of Basketballista. First basketball position. It's red ball and the defending champion ball. Inbounding Torres to our reigning MVP, the lover boy, Louis. Louis, nice defense. Foul on number 9. Omal Quain, first team foul on Omal Quain. First personal foul against number 9.
Magbibigay pa daw yung isa ng gum.
Ayan, hintayin.
It's too strong.
150 na binigay mo.
150 plus 100.
Hindi. 150 na binigay mo kanina. 50 na. Akin 100.
Dali.
Now Cholo. Lover boy. Now Wonder Boy. Shoot. Argonza. Now St. Joseph. Pass outside. Kabakang. Fake. Kabakang. Argonza. Open jumper. Too strong. Rebound top. Yes. On Omal Quain. Now 2-0. It's the defending champion Abu Dhabi versus Omal Quain, our second game. And second match. And we're live on the Facebook page. Balason short. Now Argonza. Guard by Cholo. Steal by Cholo. Wonder Boy. Lover Boy. And the Lover Boy says it. Fake. Lover fake. Fake. Lover Boy. Nice pass. Argonza. Steal. Now St. Joseph. 2-1. Kabakang. What a great pass coming from St. Joseph. It's 4-0. It's a 4-0 run coming from Omal Quain. Wonder Boy to Lover Boy. Now Air Balason, favorite shot. Short again. Now Argonza. Looking for Kabakang. Wow! Turnover miscommunication of Kabakang. It's 7 minutes and 50 seconds. It's all Abu Dhabi ball. It's 4-0. Wonder Boy. Lover Boy. Cholo. Wait. Vladimir Kabakang. Wonder Boy. First attempt. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, no Wonder Boy. It's 3-4. 1 point lead now of McLean. Still again. Oh, Kabakang short. Now Aaron Balason. Back to Wonderboy. Louis. Same spot. Wonderboy again. Oh, not. Rebound on number 9. Pass to Kabakang. Kabakang. Back-to-back turnover again on McLean. It's 7 minutes. It's 4 against 3. 1 point lead of McLean. Loverboy. Herbalason. Yes, and Herbalason none. 5-4. It's 1 point lead Abu Dhabi. 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Now St. Joseph. Bang! Nothing but net by St. Joseph. Now 7-5. Back to 2 point lead on McLean. Loverboy. To Wonderboy. 10 to shoot. Cholo. Fake. Drive. 5 to shoot. Whoa! Airman Lassen now 7-all. 6 minutes. Second game and second match. Drive. Fake. Bad. Back to too strong. Top. Kabakang. Fake. Yes, nice move by Kabakang. 9-7. It's 2 point lead on McLean. Now Loverboy. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. We're still live on the Facebook page on Basketballista. Wonderboy. Attempt. Airball. Argonza. Steal again by the Wonderboy. Now Loverboy. It's 4-2. Loverboy. Pass to Cholo. Play. Cholo to Herbalason. Yes, and Herbalason. 9-all. It's 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Oh, at the gate home. Now 11-9. Back to 2 point lead of McLean. 5 minutes. Loverboy. Cholo. Sergio Torres. Fake. Move. Block. Billboard. Now still. It's 4-2. 3-2. Pass outside. It's again by Loverboy. Loverboy now. It's 3-on-3. Loverboy stop pump. Too strong. Argonza. It's 3-on-2. Argonza skate. Foul. Foul on the Wonderboy. First on the Wonderboy. First team foul. Abu Dhabi. It's 4 minutes and 29 seconds. First quarter. Second game. Kabakang 10 to shoot. Too strong. Tap. Argonza. Now Herbalason. It's 2-1. Guarded by St. Joseph. Herbalason goes to close. Foul. Foul on number 22 on St. Joseph. Second team foul on McLean. First against St. Joseph. This is our second game, the defending champion Abu Dhabi versus McLean. 4 minutes. Kabakang. 14 to shoot. Argonza. St. Joseph. Again, air ball. Back-to-back turnover on McLean. It's 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Still 2 point lead of McLean. Now Loverboy. Cholo. Back to Loverboy. Bang! On air, Balasan. 11-all. It's third deadlock of the game. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Now Kabakang guarded harassed by Cholo. To St. Joseph. Outside. Big. Pido. Pido drive. Pido. Black. Foul. Foul on Sergio Torres. Second team foul on against Abu Dhabi. First on Sergio Torres. 3 minutes and 16 seconds. Now 12-11, it's back to 1 point lead of Malquay. Thirteen, 11. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Now Lover Boy, Uluy. Looking for Wonder Boy. Gary Bakang, Wonder Boy. 10 to shoot. Hey, drive. Lover Boy, left-handed drive. Lover Boy, 13 all. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. It's all Lover Boy, Argonza. Now 1-1 to Lover Boy, drive. Macy leg up. Yes, now 15 to 13. Back to 2-point lead. Omalquay. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Lover Boy. Back to Wonder Boy. Wonder Boy to short. The ball on Argonza. Now it's 4-2. 3-2. Saves a foul. Foul on the Wonder Boy. 13 foul on Abu Dhabi second. Against the Wonder Boy. 2 minutes and 13 seconds. Inbounding Kabakang. Pido. 13 to shoot. 13 to shoot.
Rep.
James.
Black! Oh, Pido! Time out! Oh, Abu Dhabi, it's 17 to 13. 4-point lead. Against Malquay. 2 minutes. So the defending champion versus Malquay in our second match for our Intermarine Season 4 by Basketballista. And still we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. And this game is brought to you by Color Sports, Basketballista, Team Motivation, and Amigos of Malquay. Now the Lover Boy. Pass to Wonder Boy. Back to Lover Boy. 14 to shoot. 10. Black behind by Pido. Foul. Foul on Abu Dhabi. Warning for penalty on Abu Dhabi. 1 minute and 40 seconds. First on air, Balasan. Now St. Joseph. In and out, top by Air Balason. Rebound by Wonder Boy. Wonder Boy now sending a play. Wonder Boy to Lover Boy. Lover Boy escape foul. Foul on number 9. Warning on the Lover Boy. For second motion. Third on Malquay. Cholo. Each Malquay ball. 1 minute and 13 seconds. And Bonnie Argonza. 17 to 13. It's 4-point lead. Malquay. St. Joseph. Argonza. Bang! On Argonza. 1 minute. 19 to 13. 50 seconds. Cholo.
Balason. 10 to shoot.
Out you won. 35 seconds. St. Joseph. Argonza again. Nice pass. Yes on Pido. Now 21 to 13. Top. 25 seconds.
Joseph.
20 seconds. 15.
Joseph Deng. Aranganza.
Yes, on Alargonza, 23 to 13. 5 seconds. And for first quarter, it's 10-point lead now. On Alcuin, it's 23 against 13. Second quarter, that is second quarter.
Gustahan mo sa dati.
Gaintano. Gaintano.
Yan ang gustahan mo dati.
Second quarter, second quarter. Each of Alcuin ball.
Wala.
Gutom sila dati.
Wala yung mga kunang-kunang. Perpetual.
Ano ba yung
Letron. The RGU. Ngayon, Ajman.
Alcala. Time to shoot. Alcala again. Nice move. Rebound on Ilagan. Now Uno. Nice pass. Lastas. Fake. Now atomic bomb. Escalante. Short. Top. Escalante again. Now turnover on Abu Dhabi Motivation. It's 9 minutes and 10 seconds. 23 against 230. It's 10-point lead. Oh, Malquay. Now Alcala. Fourteen to shoot.
Alcala.
Manalastas. Uno. Now Sago. Non-selfish pass coming from Uno. 15 against the 23. It's 8-point lead on Malquay. Short. Top. Rebound. Pick. Again, too strong. And now Uno. Rebound by Uno. Uno to Sagon. Sagon again. Sagon side step. Still on Normal Queen. It's 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Normal Queen ball. Normal Queen. 8 minutes and 20. 23 against 15 is 8-point lead. Normal Queen. Alcala. Guarded by Uno. Pick. 3-second violation. Now, Normal Queen. Turnover! On Normal Queen, it's 23 to 15. Now, Uno. Escalante. Back to Manalastas. Sagon. Pick. Sagon drive. Side step. Sagon. Yes, on Sagon. Now, 17 to 23. It's 6-point lead on Malquay. It's 4-0 run against Abu Dhabi. Now Alcala. Pick. 14 to shoot. In and out again. Rebound on Ilagan. Ilagan. Looking for Uno. To Sagon. Again, favorite shot. Bang! On Sagon, 19 to 23. It's a 6-0 run coming from Abu Dhabi. 7 minutes. Alcala. Back to Alcala.
Yan na shoot.
Bang! Along to now 25 to 19. 6-point lead on number Queen. Uno. To Escalante. Sagon. Now, turnover on Abu Dhabi. It's 6 minutes and 30 seconds. 25 to 19. It's 6-point lead on Malquay. Alcala. Whoa! Alcala. 27-19. 6 minutes. Uno. Pascalante. Tap. Intercepted by Alcala again. Foul. Foul on Escalante. First on Escalante, first team foul against Abu Dhabi. 5 minutes and 59 seconds, second quarter, second game. For our Enter Emirates Season 4. By Basketballista. Still Mailagan. Oh! Strong top! Alcala!
Napansin si Con sa bola.
Yo-yo mo! Against Alcala. 29-19, back to 10-point lead by Amagway. Escalante. Too strong. Rebound again on the Yo-Yo Man and Alcala. Yo-Yo Man drive. Probably balancing time out. On Abu Dhabi, it's 29-19, 5 minutes and 14 seconds. And still we're live on the Facebook page. Ang Basketballista. It's Abu Dhabi ball. Abu Dhabi. Now uno. Escalante. Top, sagod. Foul. First team foul of Alquay. Foul on number 19. 5 minutes. Now 20-29. Back to 9-point lead on Alquay. to 29. Mendoza. To the Yo-Yo Man, Alcala. Oh, short. Now, Ilagan. Ay, not again. Algiera, foul. Alcala. Steal on Escalante. Short. Whoa! Basket count and one on the atomic bomb, Escalante. Time out of Alquay. It's 29-23. 6-point lead now against Alquay. Second team foul on Alquay.
Busada. Luntok.
First personal foul, Luntok. Bonus free throw on atomic bomb. Escalante. Now 24-29. It's 5-point lead on Alquay. 4 minutes. Mendoza. Tuluntok. Too strong. Ilagan. Still again by Luntok. Luntok. To the Yo-Yo Man. Pass. Still by Malastas. Foul. Foul again on Luntok. Second personal foul on Luntok. Third. Oh no, okay. It's 3 minutes and 41 seconds. It's Abu Dhabi versus Omar Quay. Now enter Emirates Season 4 by Padilla. Ilagan, 14 to shoot. 10. Whoa! Basket count and won by Uno. Foul on number 13 on Nabiera. Warning for penalty on Malquay. It's 29 to 26. 3-point lead now against Malquay. Now 27-29. 2-point lead of Malquay.
Boss, may pilihan ba ng third quarter? Wala.
Abera. Foul on number 22 on Manelastas. First on Manelastas. Second team foul against the defending champion Abu Dhabi.
13, Obiera.
29 against the 27. Na 30 to 27, it's 3-point lead on Omar Quay. Now Uno, Manalastas, back to Sagun. 14 to shoot. Short. Tap. It's Omar Quay, 2 minutes and 47 seconds.
Bola.
Rebounding the Yo-Yo Man.
Hawak ng bola.
Luntok. Nice defense on Abu Dhabi. It's 2 minutes and 42 seconds. 30 to 27, 3-point lead. Omar Quay. Top by Abera. Yo-Yo Man takes out Yo-Yo Man. Alcala, 32 to 27. It's 2 minutes and 28 seconds. Sagun, Uno. Take, drive, Uno. Calve Abera, Sagun. Sagun side step, foul. Foul again on Luntok. Penalty. Third personal foul against Luntok. 32 to 27. 2 minutes and 16 seconds. Now 28 to 32. Back to 4-point lead on Omar Quay. Now 29 to 32.
Salubong.
Now Luntok.
Salubong.
2 minutes, 17 to shoot, 2 minutes. 17 to shoot. Sagun. All the way on Sagun, it's 31 to 32, 1-point lead. Omar Quay. Yo-Yo Man. Escape. Yo-Yo Man, coast to coast. The Yo-Yo Man passed outside, foul. Foul on number 19. On Escalante. 13 foul, Abu Dhabi.
Escalante second.
Second personal foul on Escalante. Too strong. Escalante. Yo-Yo Man.
Alcala.
Same ball. 1 minute and 32 seconds. 32 against the 31. Omar Quay.
19, Miralles.
10 to shoot. Luntok.
Ya Allah.
It's Abu Dhabi ball. Abu Dhabi. 1 minute and 17 seconds. Now Ilagan. Short. Bang! basket. Count and 1 on Ilagan. Now 33 against 32. 1 point lead now on the defending champion, Abu Dhabi. Lastas. Whoa! Sago! 35 to 32. Yo-Yo Man. Yo-Yo Man pass ball. Foul on Ilagan. Warning for penalty on Abu Dhabi.
Ilagan first.
First personal foul on number 6 on Ilagan. 53 seconds. 53. Abera, Luntok, rebound tap, Mendoza, now Ilagan, now the Yo-Yo Man, 40 seconds, Yo-Yo Man, pass on time, Morales, out, Milan Abera, yes on Abera, now 34 to 35, 30 seconds, 1 point lead on Abu Dhabi, Sagon, atomic bomb. Too strong, top. Now the Yo-Yo Man again. Yo-Yo Man. Guarded by Uno. Yo-Yo Man. 15 seconds. Luntok. Abera. Rubbling violation. 9 seconds. 9 seconds. Sagon. Ilagan. Oh, Ilagan. 2 seconds. And now for second quarter, 37 against the 34. Now change favor. Third quarter, ready, third quarter.
Nandiyan na naman yung admirer. Yung nagdidito.
Third quarter. Abu Dhabi ball, Abu Dhabi.
Oh, wala tayong plus. Pares kayo, 10. Sobra.
Abu Dhabi ball, Abu Dhabi. Third quarter. Now Isidoro. Loverboy. Louis. Garber Golcha. Foul.
Na naman, ano yung number?
Foul on number 8.
Alcala? Ay, hindi. Zero.
First team foul on Malquay. First personal foul against on number 8. 2 free throw shot by Balaso. 9 minutes and 46 seconds.
Balasun.
Air ball. Baling Kabakang. Kabakang. Iskali pa Isidoro. Sangoncha. Bam! Wala shot now, 36. Again to 37. It's 1 point lead on Abu Dhabi. Loverboy. Sagon. Air Balason, favorite shot, too strong. Rebound again by Omar Quay. Now Kabakang. Skate! Oh! Now 38 to 37. It's 1 point lead, Omar Quay. Loverboy.
Offense.
Whoa! Basket count and 1 by the Loverboy. Foul on number 10. On Omar Quay. Second team foul on Omar Quay.
Counted yan.
39 to 38. It's 1 point lead back to Abu Dhabi. 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Foul. Foul on number 25 on Biner. First team foul against Abu Dhabi. Argonza. Short. Biner. Loverboy. Balason. Yes, on Balason. Now 41 to 38. 3-point lead against Abu Dhabi. Kapakang to Argonza. Foul. Foul on number 21 on Argonza. 13 foul against Omar Quay.
Naman kayo. Hindi, Abu Dhabi tingnan ang pangalan. Abu Dhabi tingnan ang pangalan.
Kamay!
14 to shoot. Oh! It's turnover, 41 to 38. It's 3-point lead Abu Dhabi. Kapakang to Argonza. Again, turnover Omar Quay. It's 7 minutes and 25 seconds. Isidoro. Biner. Bang! On Balason now 43 to 38, 5-point lead against Abu Dhabi. Turnover again on Omar Quay. Back-to-back turnover Omar Quay. It's 6 minutes and 57 seconds. Isidoro. Sagud. Now the Loverboy. 10 to shoot. Bang! On Balason now 45 to 38. 7-point lead on Abu Dhabi. In and out. Isidoro. Loverboy. Also close on the Loverboy. It's 47 to 38. Argonza. Short. Biner. Time out. Omar Quay in 6 minutes. 47 against the 38.
Yaman daw sadya. Hindi ma. Kung nakapili si sa akin, sino tapos.
Omar Quay ball. Omar Quay. Argonza.
Balason. Balason again.
Five minutes and 30 seconds.
Ayun na ko! Loose ball.
Natagang laod.
Five minutes. Black, may kabangang. Now kabangang. Usukos! Kabangang! What a great move by Kabangang. Now 40 to 47. Back to 7-point lead on Abu Dhabi. Yes, on the Lover Boy, Louis, 49 to 40. Kabakang. 14 to shoot. Argonza, Kabakang again. Nice pass by Kabakang to Argonza. 42 to 49. It's 7-point lead on Abu Dhabi. Lover Boy. 14 to shoot. Steal by Argonza. Argonza all the way. Argonza time out. On Abu Dhabi, it's 49 to 44. 5-point lead, Abu Dhabi.
Number 18 galit na isang Babara.
It's now 5-point lead against Abu Dhabi. 3 minutes and 54 seconds. Last third quarter. And this game is brought to you by Color Sports, Basketballista, and Motivation.
Okay, tingin lang sa pugi. Ay, sa bola pa lang.
Steal by Kabakang. Again, enter by Argonza. Shoot. Argonza again. Yes, and Argonza now 46 to 49. It's 3-point lead. Abu Dhabi. Lover Boy. Isidoro. Short. Now the Lover Boy. Black by Kabakang. 5 to shoot.
Escalante.
Too strong. Now Argonza. 3 minutes. Ortez.
Pila.
Alcala. Looking for Kabakang. 14 to shoot. Alcala. Out. Turnover. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Our third quarter, second match for our Enter Emirates Season 4 by Basketballista. Game is brought to you by Amigos of Alfred Biller, Ilagan. Whoa! What a great move by Ilagan. It's 51 against the 46. 5-point lead back to Abu Dhabi. Now Kabakang. Turnover again. Back-to-back turnover by Amigos. Two minutes and 10.
Escalante. Tampipi. Ay, Tampipi.
10 to shoot. 5.
6.
Yes, on Ilagan, it's 53 against the 46. Nice pass. Yes, now 55 to 46. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Same ball, 14 to shoot. 1 minute and 30. Back to 9-point lead on Abu Dhabi. It's 55 against the 46. Short. Short again, Argonza. Foul. Foul on number 19 on Abu Dhabi. Second team foul on Abu Dhabi. Third on Escalante. 1 minute and 4 seconds. Loverboy. 55 seconds. Time to shoot. 5. Short. Tabagang to Argonza. In and out. Rebound on Loverboy. 30 seconds.
Ayun.
Black! Foul! Foul on Argonza. Second on Argonza. Warning for penalty on Malquay. 25 seconds. Now 56 to 46. 10-point lead back to Abu Dhabi. Seconds. Kabakang. Argonza. We not again. Argonza again. 10 seconds. Bang! Bang, bang, bang. On Kabakang. 5 seconds. Oh! And for third quarter, our score.
49. Hindi, kakagpo pa lang nga doon sa 3
It's
point.
49 to 59. Abu Dhabi, fourth quarter ready, fourth quarter.
Sino nakashoot doon sa last? Nandito pa nga na ako sa Umal Queen, Boss Mike. Kaya nga, nandito pa nga ako sa Umal. Ano sino nakashoot sa Abu
It's
Dhabi?
Omar Quain ball, Omar Quain.
Sino nakashoot sa Abu Dhabi nga?
Lagan.
Ha? Ano sino?
Last quarter, last quarter. Now, Kabakang, guarded by the Loverboy, Wonder Boy. St. Joseph, back to Kabakang. Open shot. Same spot! On Kabakang, it's 52 to 59. Loverboy, Wonder Boy. In and out by Labason. Lason. Pido. Cholo is the second Cholo. Foul. Foul on number 5 on Pido. First team foul on Omar Quain. First on Pido. Loverboy. Wonder Boy. Still foul. Foul on Uno. First personal foul on Uno. First team foul against Abu Dhabi. And we're still live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Pagkabakang. St. Joseph. Favorite shot. Too strong. Balason. 9 minutes. Now Manalastas. 2-1. Uno to Wonder Boy. Wonder Boy. Back to Uno. 14 to shoot. Cholo.
Pasa.
Still by St. Joseph. All alone. Right. Goes to coast. Yes, now 54 against the 59. It's 5-point lead. Abu Dhabi. Loverboy. Wonder Boy.
At pasa.
Cholo. Air Palacio. Miscommunication again on Abu Dhabi. It's 8 minutes and 22 seconds. 5-point lead by Abu Dhabi. Argonza. Cholo. Too strong. Rebound. Cholo again. Foul. Foul on number 10 on Cholo. Second team foul Abu Dhabi. First personal foul on Cholo. Basket substitution attempt, basket substitution. Sub-rep sub. 55 to 59, 4-point lead. Abu Dhabi. Now, uno. Tap, Sagun. Black, Bayardoja. Now, St. Joseph. Yes, St. Joseph now 57-59. 2-point lead. Oh, Abu Dhabi. Wonder Boy.
Oh no.
Uno. Back to Wonder Boy. Our ball on the Wonder Boy. It's 7 minutes and 30 seconds to the south. 2-point lead now on Abu Dhabi. It's 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Tabakang. Joseph. Steal ang Manalastas. Uno. Manalastas. Ang Tusagon. Side step. Manalastas. Too strong tap. Argonza. Steal again. Manalastas. Foul.
Joseph.
Foul on number 22 on Joseph. Second team foul on McQueen.
Joseph first.
First personal foul against Joseph. Now 7 minutes.
Wala.
Now 60 to 57. It's 3-point lead Abu Dhabi. Oh! In and out. Now uno.
Ay, ke?
Foul. Foul on number 5.
Pido.
On Pido.
Second.
Second on Pido. Third on Omar Queen. Now 61 to 57. Sub. Kabakang. 62 to 57. Foul. Foul on Sagun. 13 foul Abu Dhabi. First personal foul on Sagun.
Ready!
6 minutes and 30 seconds.
Screen.
Tap by Pido. He's still on the playboy. Now too strong. Nice pass. Sub. St. Joseph out. The Yo-Yo man in.
Forward konti, Sandro! Sandro, forward konti!
Yo-Yo man. Back to Kabakang.
Screen!
10 to shoot. Foul. Foul on Balason. Warning for penalty on Abu Dhabi.
Wala sa second.
Second personal foul on Balason. 5 minutes and 50 seconds.
Screenan kayo!
Kabakang. Argonza. 10 to shoot.
Goal, yes!
Yo-Yo man! It's 59 to 62. 3-point lead Abu Dhabi. Uno. Too strong. Tap. Rebound by Kabakang. Yo-Yo Man again. Yo-Yo Man, fake. Yo-Yo Man. Bam. Foul on number 8 on the lover boy. Louis. Penalty left. Penalty.
May second personal foul.
Nga, wala pa, 5 minutes pa lang. Ito nga. Meron ka dos dyan. Parting ka.
Yan. Tatlo lang yan, tatlo lang yan.
5 minutes pa. Plus 40. Sige nga. 5 minutes.
Short. 62 against the 59.
Ayun.
Now lover boy. 14 to shoot. 10. Short. Balason. Whoa! Balason in 64 to 59. Back to 5-point lead. On Abu Dhabi.
Kaya mo yan! Magtiwala sa sarili mo!
Argonza. Now Argonza. It's 4-on-2. Argonza fly. Nice pass. Kabakang doon siya. Pagkabangabangan. 3-second violation. Substitution left. Sub left. It's 4 minutes and 35 seconds. 64 to 59. All in Abu Dhabi. 1-1 by nice steal. Foul. Foul on number 9. Warning for penalty on Omalpay.
Gainzano, second personal foul.
Second personal foul on Gainzano.
Loy! 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 Loy!
Hintay mo tayo na, wala pa.
Loy, labi boy!
Whoa! Sago! Gainzano. Isidoro?
Hey, balik! Balik!
4 minutes. Wow! Time out! Oh, normal training 68 to 59. Back to 9-point lead on Abu Dhabi. Three minutes and 49 seconds.
Kuya, lamang kayo. Oras. Ken, baba ka.
Alcala. Tap, Bailagan. Loverboy.
Gusto ka. Taas ka, kuya.
3 minutes and 30 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10.
Nice shot.
Air ball. 3 minutes and 20. Kabakam. Argonza. Sagon. Yes, son. Sagon. Three minutes.
Pare-step yun!
Yo-Yo Man. Foul. Foul on 7. Penalty red. Penalty.
Isidoro first.
First on Isidoro. Nice shot by the Yo-Yo Man. It's 60 against 70. 10-point lead Abu Dhabi. Ilagan. Sagot.
Bigay sa point.
14 to shoot.
Anan!
Working Malaysian traveling. 2 minutes and 37 seconds.
Clean.
Yes, on Kabakang, 62 to 70. 2 minutes and 15. Fourteen to shoot.
Uli.
Last 2 minutes. This last 2 minutes is brought to you by Basketballista. 14 to shoot. Honors Sports. 10.
Yari mo.
Argonza. Whoa! Time out! On Abu Dhabi, it's 64 to 70. 6-point lead. On Abu Dhabi.
Ayaw na lang sana kaysa na.
1 minute and 35 seconds. One minute and 35 seconds. One now. Argonza. St. Joseph. Short. Kabagam. Yes, on Kabagam now. 66 to 70. 4-point lead. Abu Dhabi. 1 minute. 14 to shoot. 10.
Kamay. Yari mo.
Foul.
Boss, time out pa kami isa. May dalawa pa kami time ito ba?
Opo.
Ay, sabay, huwag mo na.
Foul on Argonza. Penalty. Both teams now penalty. Both teams now for penalty. 48 seconds. Only 4-point lead Abu Dhabi.
Argonza third personal.
Third personal foul against Argonza. Basket shot tayo, ref. Basket shot.
Wala pa, balik to isa, balik pa isa, balik, wala, balik pa to isa.
Basket shot tayo, ref. Basket shot in the shoot.
Trap, uy!
45 seconds. Whoa! Kabagam! 68 to 71. Kabagam again! Time out! On Abu Dhabi! It's 71 to 70. 1-point lead on Abu Dhabi. 32 seconds, 32. Both teams and penalty.
Isang time out pa kayo.
Only one timeout left on Omar Quay. Abu Dhabi have no timeout. Abu Dhabi have no timeout. Both teams and penalty. Both teams and penalty. 32 seconds. Loverboy. Wow.
Penalty.
Penalty left, 26 seconds. Foul on the Yo-Yo Man. 2 free throw shot for the Loverboy. 26 seconds, 26.
Balik kayo, Ken. Balik kayo. Dito ka.
72 to 70. Basket timeout, ref. Basket timeout. Time out on Omar Queen. It's 72 to 70. 1-point lead. On Abu Dhabi.
Ang 1 point late.
3 point lead.
Ay,
26 seconds. 26 seconds. Both teams in penalty. Both teams have no time out left. 26 seconds.
Ito, Pipi, Santo.
Wait ko lang, pagka may chance ko na.
26 seconds. 14 to shoot.
Ikot.
Takbo!
Bang! Good!
15 seconds. 15.
Pantay ang press! Uy!
15 seconds. Ten. 5 seconds. 4 seconds. 4. Penalty left. Penalty. 4 seconds.
Sandro, salong ka. Salong. Ken, dito lang kayo ha. Walang papatras ha.
Sumali sa kuhan. May
Tapik lang!
Gam, liliit. Liliit. Dito. Yung CA ko. 5
Boys!
seconds.
Boys! Tapik lang! Tapik! Ilagan!
10
Tapik
team.
lang! Tapik!
10 Robin.
Tapik!
Isang kahanap mo.
Sandro, walang rebound!
10
Tapik
teams.
lang! Tapik!
Single lang doon.
Hey, tetres ha! Tetres ha! Ha, tetres! Yan! Ayos na!
And a winner by 3 points. It's Abu Dhabi. 73.